In this video, we are going to learn the identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Construct a line segment. That length will be a. Then construct a square with side a. Area of a square is equal to side into side. Side is equal to a. Then a into a is equal to a square. Take a point on the line segment. Let it be b. The remaining part of the line segment is a minus b. Then construct one more square with side a minus b. Then this will become, the yellow one will become a minus b whole square, that is nothing but side into side. If you want to get the yellow part, that's what we are talking. We have to remove the pink L letter from the a square, original bigger square. Then you will get a minus b whole square. This pink letter L into two parts. Two rectangles are formed, that is the first one and the second one. Greenish one is the second one. Find out the two rectangles area and subtract it from the bigger square, that is a square. The breadth of the green one is b and length is equal to a of second rectangle. In the similar way, first one breadth is equal to b and length is equal to a minus b. First rectangle pink one is a minus b into b. We have to subtract it from bigger square, that is a square. So b into a minus b, it has to be subtracted from a square. That is minus b into a is equal to minus ab. Minus b into minus b will be plus b square. And also we have to subtract the green one, second one rectangle, that is b into a. ab, length into breadth, that is a into b is equal to ab. It has to be subtracted from a square, so minus ab. Minus ab, a square as it is, and minus ab will become minus 2ab, then plus b square as it is. The identity solved, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square.